Ever pondered why eggs make such a regular appearance at breakfast tables around the globe? Well, it's time to crack open the truth about these nutrient-packed powerhouses. Eggs, simple in their design, are a complex marvel of nature. Each egg, a self-contained package of proteins, vitamins, and minerals, serves as the starting point of life for many creatures. But beyond the birds and the bees, eggs also pack a hefty nutritional punch for the rest of us. The humble egg is packed with 6 grams of high-quality protein, a host of vitamins like A, B, E, and D, and essential minerals such as iron and zinc. But the nutrients don't just stop there. Eggs are also a key source of choline, a nutrient that aids in brain development and memory enhancement. While the white of an egg holds much of the protein, do not discount the yolk. It's in the yolk where you'll find a treasure trove of nutrients, including eye-protecting antioxidants like lutein and zeaxanthin. Plus, it holds the majority of an egg's vitamins and minerals. Now, there's been some controversy over the cholesterol content in eggs. But recent studies suggest that the cholesterol in eggs doesn't impact our blood cholesterol levels the way once thought. In fact, eggs can actually boost the level of good cholesterol in your body. Yet, eggs are not just about the nutrients. They also contribute to our culinary world in significant ways. They act as binders in baking, create fluffiness in cakes, and can be a meal on their own when boiled, poached, or fried. To wrap things up, eggs aren't just a source of high-quality protein, vitamins, and minerals. They're also a powerhouse of essential nutrients like choline and antioxidants, and they can even help boost good cholesterol levels. Their role in the culinary world is nothing short of vital, lending texture, taste, and versatility to a multitude of dishes. So next time you're about to enjoy an egg, don't just think of it as a breakfast staple. You're actually about to consume a superfood. Keep that in mind, stay healthy and stay egg-cited. It's certainly no surprise that eggs have secured a revered spot in kitchens all over the globe. Truly one of the best proteins on Earth.